Meaning of glossy.
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 Glossy. The term glossy refers to a surface or finish that is smooth and shiny. It is commonly used to describe printed materials, such as magazines or photographs, which have a high-quality, reflective finish. The glossy texture is achieved through a coating of a glossy varnish or lamination. This finish enhances colors and contrast, making images appear more vibrant and detailed. Glossy surfaces can also be found in other materials such as ceramics or paints. Overall, the term glossy implies a surface that is visually appealing, reflective, and smooth to the touch.